Success, a freelancing journey. Welcome everyone to today's episode. If you have ever wondered how someone with no money, no connections, and no clients can build a successful freelancing career, this story is for you. Today, I'm talking with Hamza, an SEO and Google business optimization expert who started from zero. Hamza, welcome.
Thank you, Ahmed. I'm really happy to be here. My journey wasn't easy, but it proves that anyone can build success with the right skills and mindset.
Let's start from the beginning. Were you always interested in freelancing?
Not at all. I was working a regular job, earning just enough to survive. I used to scroll on social media and see people talking about online income, freelancing, and digital skills. At first, I thought it was just luck, but then I asked myself one question. Why are so many small businesses invisible on Google?
That's interesting. What did you discover?
I discovered SEO, search engine optimization. I learned that when people search on Google, the websites that appear on top are not there by accident. They are optimized. Businesses that understand SEO get traffic, customers, and sales. Others stay invisible.
For someone who doesn't understand SEO, explain it simply.
SEO is the process of improving a website so it ranks higher on search engines. If someone searches best dentist near me, SEO decides which dentist appears first, and the higher you appear, the more clicks and calls you get.
So how did you move from learning to earning?
At first, I didn't earn anything. I studied free resources, watched tutorials, and practiced on demo websites. Then I started contacting local businesses. I offered free website audits. Most ignored me, some rejected me, but one small business owner replied.
What did you do for them?
I analyzed their website. It was slow, had no proper keywords, and wasn't optimized for local searches. I fixed basic on-page SEO, improved titles and descriptions, and optimized their content. Within 3 months, their website traffic improved.
That must have felt amazing.
It did, but that was just the beginning. Then I discovered something even more powerful, Google Business Optimization, or GBOB.
What exactly is GBOB?
GBOB focuses on optimizing a business's Google business profile so it ranks in Google Maps and local search results. When someone searches restaurant near me or plumber in my city, Google shows a map with business listings. If you optimize that profile correctly, categories, keywords, photos, reviews, the business gets direct calls.
So you don't even need a website sometimes.
Exactly. For many local businesses, a well-optimized Google business profile can generate calls without heavy website work.
When did you see real financial growth?
After optimizing a local restaurant's Google business profile, within 60 days, their customer calls doubled. The owner was impressed and referred me to 2 more business owners. That's when referrals started coming in.
Was it smooth from there?
Not at all. Freelancing is not easy money. You must learn keyword research, search intent, backlinks, technical SEO, analytics, and client communication. Many nights I doubted myself. Some months were slow, some clients were difficult.
What kept you going?
I realized something powerful. Freelancing is not about selling services, it's about solving problems. Businesses want more visibility, more leads, and more sales. If you can provide results, you become valuable.
What are the most important skills someone should learn to succeed in SEO and GBOB?
First, keyword research, understanding what people are searching for. Second, search intent, knowing why they are searching. Third, on-page optimization, titles, content, structure. Fourth, Google Business Profile optimization, categories, reviews, local signals. Fifth, communication, because clients trust clarity and results.
How long did it take before you could quit your job?
About 2 years. The first year was learning and small income. The second year was growth and consistency. I didn't quit suddenly. I saved money, built stable clients, and reduced risk.
What is the biggest mistake beginners make?
They chase quick money. They want instant results. But real success in freelancing comes from skill building and patience. If you focus on learning and delivering results, income will follow naturally.
If someone listening right now feels stuck, what would you say to them?
Start today. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Learn one skill deeply, practice consistently, offer small value first, build proof, improve daily. You don't need rich parents. You don't need connections. You need skills. You need discipline. You need consistency.
That's powerful. So, in one sentence, what is the secret to becoming successful in freelancing?
The secret is simple. Build valuable skills, solve real problems, and stay consistent longer than everyone else.
Thank you, Hamza, for sharing your journey. And to everyone listening, your freelancing success story can begin today. The only question is, will you take the first step?